Hello people, I am here today to show you how to make a lantern out of this. So you're going to basically turn this into this, and I'm going to show you how. I'm probably not going to actually do these staircases because they were a wicked pain in the ass, but you know, you get the picture. So the first thing you're going to want to do is clean and dry a used milk bottle. Okay, so we do that by pulling it open the way you used to when you were a kid in elementary school. Ooh, this is chocolatey on the inside. Okay, then you're going to take your knife and you're going to cut down the side. So there's a part with a seam, and I recommend cutting there because it naturally comes apart a little bit more easily, but not a lot more easily. There's some work that has to go into this. Okay, wait, hang on. Okay, so now I have opened the side seam. I've opened the side seam, and the bottom seam is still there. So then you're just going to want to cut around the bottom. It's flat. It's got some chocolate business on it, but you can see the bottom is still on it, and it's all still here. Okay, I've switched to another container because I am too lazy to get my ass up and go clean that chocolate one, but I will do that. White side is down on the table. You see it's got its bottom here, and it still has this like thingamajig. I'm gonna cut that off. So here we go. Please enjoy this hold music. Do 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 do. Okay, now that's done. You just chuck that away. So now we have a flattened container with a hole. And this is the tape that I was talking about, the HVAC tape. So it basically is just tape with a backing, and it's super sticky. Can you tell that I am a complete amateur? Okay, so you're going to take this tape, and I've peeled part of the backing off, and I'm just going to tape it down. I'm going to try to do this in the eye of the camera. Okay, so I just line up the tape with the edge of the carton. I flatten it out. I pull out the tape at the bottom. So this is the view of the taped top of the carton. And hold that down. And then I take my knife and voila! We have a taped part of the carton. So we're gonna repeat that all the way across the edge of the carton. Here's our carton. The colored side is completely taped. The white side is completely blank. All right. And you'll note that I just covered right up this whole business, which we're gonna cut out in a minute. And now we get to decide how we're going to design this motherfucker. Also, two more things. Please note that there are wrinkles. That is no big deal. Also, please note that I swear a lot and I apologize. But not really.